Hey guys, I'm showing you this Joyin 19 in 1 die-cast police toy truck with a little police figures, mini police vehicles, and big carrier truck. So this is a patrol rescue helicopter for boys of 3 to 9 years old, and you can see it comes in a really nice pack.
So here you need to be careful with the packing because in the other side you will have this small figurine for the soldiers or the police thing. So these are the small police figures that you can use to pretend play with your toys and the cars. So they are very nice built and they can stand on the table or anywhere you want. So there is another thing with this truck is there have a storage, so you can put in all these figures in here and on the top and then store them, or you can put anything else whatever you want. So this is a nice storage in here, and also this small car thing, you can put a small car and this can come as a slide for it. So you can slide in the small car here and then put the figurines here. It's a really nice storage and the design for this one.
And here is like you can see a good quality plastic. With this thing, so this shutter will come and these cars will come here from this side. So these are the small police cars that will run like push and go sort of thing, the crane or the other things as well. So there are the little toys, the cars the kids will like, and then this just fit in this one. You can store them in this small the toy tray thing. And from this side you have all this like a heli chopper, all these small cars. So this is a trailer as well. You can fit this trailer in the back of this truck. So this will be like this. So this is a nice built small cars, and there's like one carrier truck and 10 mini police rescue trucks. So this is great for kids to play and the pretend play and to enjoy this whole game set. And there's a nice little cars as well for storage and everything. The kids will have fun playing with that.